Welcome everyone. Let's learn subtraction. This is the symbol of subtract or minus. This is the symbol of equal to. Subtraction is the mathematical operation of taking away one number from another to find out how many are left. Here are two pencils and one pencil is minus, then the difference is one pencil. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So here are 3 monkeys. And if we subtract 1, 2 monkeys, then the difference will be 1 monkey. 3 monkeys minus 2 monkeys is equal to 1 monkey. Here are 8 frogs. If we minus 5 frogs from 8 frogs, the difference will be 1, 2, 3 frogs. 8 frogs minus 5 frogs is equal to 3 frogs. 5 mangoes minus 3 mangoes. The difference will be 2 mangoes. One more example. 4 oranges minus 2 oranges is equal to 2 oranges. Another example. 6 flowers minus 5 flowers is equal to 1 flower. I hope you understood the subtractions. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.